Had Janet researched more thoroughly, she would have had the opportunity to realize the document she had been forged.
Have you ever found yourself trying to listen intently to something in English only to end up missing parts of it or getting confused about what was said? Maybe you don't catch certain words, or if someone asks you a question, you're unsure how to respond. This can be a common challenge for anyone learning a new language. You're not alone. This issue is common among language learners. Even those preparing for exams like TOEFL and IELTS face specific listening challenges. In IELTS, for example, by the time you jot down a word, the speaker has moved on and you might miss the content. In TOEFL, you're bombarded with scientific terms and new concepts in just a few minutes, making it feel more like a science class than a listening test. So what's the solution? Consistent and effective practice. In this video, we'll teach you 10 proven and practical exercises that will boost your listening skills potentially up to an IELTS band score of 8. Different methods work for different people, so follow along until the end of this video to find out the best technique that works for you. We've researched extensively and included excellent resources and websites in this video. Plus, we'll provide you with a daily routine to ensure your practice is consistent and effective. A bonus tip: these exercises will also significantly improve your speaking skills, so watch this video attentively. Welcome to Data Academy, where we help you learn English at home using AI-assisted self-study. Our team has 15 years of expertise in breaking down complex learning tasks into small, understandable chunks, enabling you to learn English faster. Since listening skills are crucial for understanding new languages and for exams like TOEFL and IELTS, we've compiled 10 guaranteed methods along with a daily routine to help you. At the end of this video, I'll also share my personal experience on how I improved my listening skills. Exercise 1. Dictation. Dictation is one of the best methods for practicing listening. Listen to short audio clips and write down everything you hear. Websites like Listen and Write offer various audio files at different levels, with exercises designed for full mode, quick mode, correction mode, and fill-in-the-blank mode. Another great tool is Elo, which has numerous audio files on various topics and levels. Each file includes the full transcript, grammar notes, and quizzes. Dictation not only improves your spelling and grammar, but also helps you pay closer attention to details like prepositions and articles, enhancing your overall listening accuracy. Exercise 2. Shadowing. Shadowing involves listening to a native speaker and mimicking their speech simultaneously.
The only thing
more satisfying than convincing someone to do what I want
is failing to persuade them on purpose.
This exercise helps you copy the pronunciation, intonation, and speed of native speakers. Platforms like TED Talk and YouTube offer countless videos for this practice. You can also use movies and TV shows for shadowing practice, choosing content based on your own preferences and the speaker's accent. Exercise 3. Summarizing. This exercise involves listening to a podcast or news segment and summarizing it in your own words. Websites like BBC Learning English and VOA Learning English and NPR are full of short news clips and educational content. Summarizing helps you identify the main ideas and details, a valuable skill for exams like TOEFL. Exercise 4. Listening quizzes. The internet is full of listening quizzes, including multiple choice and fill-in-the-blank questions. For example, Elo and ESL Lab offer quizzes for different levels and topics. The British Council also provides well-structured listening exercises. These quizzes give immediate feedback, boosting your confidence and helping you trust your listening abilities. Exercise 5. Watching movies and TV shows. Watching movies and TV shows is a fun and engaging way to practice listening. Choose shows with everyday language like Friends, This Is Us, Modern Family, The Office, Master of None, The Crown, Downton Abbey, Grey's Anatomy, Brooklyn Nine-Nine, or Seinfeld. Watching content with subtitle helps you see how English is used in context and exposes you to different accents and natural speech. Exercise 6. Conversing with native speakers. Engaging in conversations with native speakers helps you focus intensely on your speech. Unlike using an app or website, you can't pause and replay in real conversation. This forces you to listen carefully and even guess meaning from context. Platforms like Tandem, HelloTalk, or Speaky are designed for language learners to connect with native speakers. Exercise 7. Listening to music and lyrics. Listening to your favorite music and reading the lyrics is another enjoyable way to practice listening. Apps like Apple Music and Spotify provide lyrics for most songs. Websites like AZ Lyrics and Genius are great for finding song lyrics. Apps like LingoClip combine music with listening exercises, making learning fun and engaging. Exercise 8. Listen to audiobooks. Listening to audiobooks while following along with the text can greatly improve your listening skills. Services like Audible, Google Play Books, and LibriVox offer a wide range of audiobooks. Practice helps you get accustomed to English words and phrases in the context. Exercise 9. Listening to podcasts. Podcasts are a great way to practice listening while doing other activities. They come in various topics, allowing you to find content that interests you. Listening to natural, unscripted speech in podcasts can significantly enhance your listening skills. Exercise 10. Using educational books. There are many books specifically designed to improve listening skills, like Tactics for Listening, available for different levels. These books provide structured exercises and are often designed for self-study, making them a reliable method for improving listening skills. But now, my personal experience. Improving my listening skills happened naturally for me. While I practice and listen to listening exercises, I didn't allocate extra time specifically for listening practice. My interest in programming and blockchain led me to watch numerous tutorial videos and educational courses. Immersing myself in these videos helped me improve my listening skills without realizing it. This approach could work for you too. Find a skill you want to learn and watch related videos and courses online. Over time, you'll improve both the skill and your listening ability. Suggest a daily routine? Here is a daily routine that can help you with your listening skills. Morning. Start your day with a podcast or a short news segment while having breakfast. Then summarize what you heard. Mid-morning. Spend about 10 minutes on dictation. Practice using the websites mentioned before. Afternoon. Watch a TED Talk or a YouTube video, first with subtitles and then without it. Try shadowing the speaker's speech. Evening. Enjoy an audiobook or watch a movie or TV show as a relaxing way to end your day. This routine is light and manageable. The key is consistency. Follow this routine for a month and you'll see significant improvement in your listening skills. At Deed Academy, we are constantly researching practical and easy methods to help you learn English at home. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest videos. Follow us on Instagram and other social media for daily tips and tricks. If you have any question, leave a comment and we'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.